for free. All right, Zoe, what do you guys think her favorite animal is? Do you guys think it's birds? I think it's birds. Can you chirp? Good girl, Zoe. Can you meow? That was the quietest meow ever. Can you meow? There you go. There was a little bit of a better meow. And since it's a birthday, can you do party? Party. Nope. Do you want to dance instead? Always. She always wants to dance. It's okay. She's very nice. She'll just take it right out of your hand. Oh, that's okay. Do you want to give her a bigger treat?
You have to hold it still, Jadon.
It's okay. She'll just take it right out of your hand.
Hold still.
Do you not want to give it